Hello, Lara.
Who is this?
I've suspected you've been monitoring my communications since Mexico.
Rourke.
Commander Rourke. You've been listening to me. And now, I'm listening to you. Another foreshock. How's it feel, knowing you're responsible for all these cataclysms? All that suffering.
I know what I did.
The look on your face when Dominguez told you? But you just had to have that dagger, didn't you? Forward outpost. Croft is moving into your area. Find her.
Cross slipped right through the guys at the beach. It can't happen again.
We'd better do a sweep. Anything interesting in that new shipment?
Thermal goggles, gentlemen. I'll take point.
I got something! Where?
Shit! False positive. Some animal.
Hey, are we getting those lights up or what?
I'm never gonna get them working if you keep pestering me. What's the damn hurry all of a sudden?
Rourke said Croft's coming through here.
God damn it. All right, I'm hurrying. Here we go. Maybe he's taking a leak. Something suspicious here.
Sweep the area, high and tight! Copy that, team leader.
Maybe there.
Croft is back!
Don't lose
Get
it.
ready to fight! Can't hold on much longer! There's a compromise! Move it!
Is that all you have?
Bleed out! Hold on, reloading! He's wounded! You're gonna have to come out!
This is where you die!
I'm empty! Hold it! Hold it!
God damn it, people, use the goggles! Find her!
Evening, Ralph.
Evening, Sam.
You see anyone?
If I did, I'd be shooting.
How many more repair jobs can it take?
Something's not right. Clear on my end.
Yeah, we're clear.
We won't get through here. And either the chopper or the search team will crush your friend.
Impossible. I
About
can't
time.
carry anymore.
Don't know why Dominguez didn't do it sooner.
I think they know something. Or something.
All the more reason to use everything we have on them.
Taking casualties!
They can't be far. Oh shit. Roger. Area
That was
sweep in
close.
progress.
Stay alert!
Got cover.
Flanking! Hold up! Make
Keep
sure
your
you're
head
still
on
there!
a swivel.
There?
Target sighted! Hostile! Cover me! Better start running! Stop shooting! Let me check it out! Hostile! This is where you die! Where are you? You gonna hide all day?
Lara? Are you okay? Was that the earthquake? I'm near an oil refinery. Everything's blowing up.
No, Jonah, get off this channel.
What?
They're listening.
Okay.
I'll find you. It's a recipe for a hallucinogen, sometimes used in war. This should help. If I use this on my arrows, it could be an advantage against Trinity. I don't have enough space for that.
Tau team, Croft is on a vector toward your position. I say again, Croft is coming to you.
Jesus Christ. Hey, you alright?
You won't get me! Shit, what's going on?
Oh, Jesus.
Where's that backup?
I don't have enough space for that.
Maybe you guys come through here? I got some broken twigs.
Base camp's having trouble receiving me.
As soon as this is up, we'll use it to boost your signal. Son of a bitch. The problem isn't the generator for a change.
Croft will be here any minute. Stay sharp.
That should have worked. Why isn't it working? Please let me know if you have to leave.
What the fuck is that?
Got the numbers. Heavy support is inbound.
Can you spell me a bit? Gotta check in with Maltese.
Sure. Gives me something to do.
Croft will be here any minute. Stay sharp.
Hey, you know Maltese's access code?
Will you be okay?
Get away from me!
Huh?
Gotta find out what the hell's going on. She's gotta die for what she did. Maybe he's taking a leak. Gotta investigate.
Kill anything that moves! Move it!
You all right?
All full up. Can't carry any more. Jonah? Jonah, come in, please!
He's not gonna answer, Lara.
What?
He's dead. Now you can add your friend Jonah to the list of people you've gotten killed.
Fuck you, Rourke!
If you want to pick up his body, it's at the refinery.
I'm coming for you.
Cardinal 2, I've got a lock on the target.
Opening fire.
Sometimes I feel like I have to keep going, and if I don't, then I'll just let everyone down.
Is coming. This is the first of many catastrophes you're doing.
I have to go! I'm the only one!
You're the one that you want!
Where are you, Rourke?
Holy shit!
I'm gonna find you. You can't hide from me, Rourke. You are fucking dead.
This is Rourke. I've been called back to Cannes. Winters, Croft is all yours.
Base camp, this is Cardinal 2. Reinforcements on the ground. Under fire here!
Jesus Christ! We have to hold it off!
This is Cardinal 2. We're taking shrapnel, but we're stable. Can't hide from me. Get up!
You okay?
I'm making everything worse.
You're not. Hey, you're not. We can do this. Come on. Where to next? Can't stay here.
I don't know, Jonah!
What was that clue? The heart of the serpent. Something.
The heart of the serpent is in the cup, near the many stone faces.
And what kind of cup are we talking about? Some kind of chalice?
Chalice that's not very Mayan. Wait. It's not mine. The clue was left by a 17th century missionary, Andrea Lopez, a Jesuit. The serpent in the chalice is a symbol of St. John. We're looking for a Christian holy site.
Like a Church of San Juan? That's a pretty common name. Could be dozens.
Not within trekking distance from Paititi.
Come on. The road is this way. We'll get out of here, talk to some people.
Okay. What would I do without you?
This is it. Church of San Juan. Let's split up. I'll look for signs of Lopez.
We'll ask around, see what we can find out.